Do you want to learn how you can make $50 over and over straight to your PayPal account? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jay from the channel Millionaire Mind, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can generate an amazing side income, as I say, $50 over and over straight to your PayPal account for free. And these are not survey websites that you hardly make any money on. So it's not one of those websites where you work hours on end just to earn a couple of cents. These are real websites that people are using to generate an amazing side income, and you don't need any money to get started. And these websites are super easy to do, and if you watch this video until the end, you will learn exactly how each website works and how you can really maximize your profits on these websites. But let's get straight into it. So here we are in the first website, and I'm going to show you quite a couple of websites in this video that you can use to constantly get new jobs and earn PayPal money over and over, as I say, $50 over and over. But this is the first website, UserLytx.com, and I'm sure some of you have maybe heard of UserTesting.com. It's basically a similar platform where you will review and test applications, websites, or any sort of digital asset that they ask you, and you will get paid based on the project, whether it's 5, 10 minutes or 20 minutes long. You will get paid between $5, $10, $15, $20, even up to $90 for some projects. And the nice thing about these websites, jobs are always coming out, so you will always have jobs available to do, and this means that you will always constantly be earning PayPal money over and over, which is really nice. And the nice thing about UserLytx.com, it is not as popular as UserTesting.com, so UserLytx will always have new jobs for you, meaning you will constantly earn PayPal cash from this website. And this is the reason I decided to bring up UserLytx in this video rather than user testing. Now, businesses, individuals, or whatever it may be, are always constantly looking for ways to boost, improve their website, their application, or whatever digital asset it may be. And what they do is they will pay UserLytx.com a monthly subscription or a monthly fee to host their website or their application or whatever it may be on this website, where you as a tester will sign up. You will be asked to review. You will need a mic, a computer, or a phone, a basic internet connection, and you're ready to earn some good money off this website, where you will review this app or website, and UserLytx.com will pay you, as you can see, $5, $10, $15, $20, and up to $90 for having fun, expressing opinions while navigating the web and websites and applications. So this is also really fun to do. So it's very simple. They will ask you a couple of questions throughout the interview. You just sign up, start an interview, answer a couple of questions, you submit it, and you easily get paid for this. And as I say, you want to watch this video so you can learn every single website, because on a website like UserLytx.com, you're not going to be able to take a test every single second or minute of the day. Jobs maybe only become available every day or every second day. But if you watch this video until the end and learn all of the websites, you'll be able to make money, PayPal money, up to $50 over and over on each and every website, no matter which website you use. But the more websites that you learn, the far more money on PayPal you can earn through this video. And this way you are consistently making money. And the second website that I want to show you is called Scrubby.com. Now this is very similar to textbroker.com, except it's not as popular. So this means a site like Scrubby.com will pay a lot more. There will be a lot more jobs available for you to do, because simply it's less popular. And these are home-based jobs, so you can work at your own convenience, and they pay between $5 and $25 per hour in US dollars for your audio, your transcription, or whatever it may be. And these are short files. It takes you 10 minutes or less to do, and you also earn a monthly bonus of $3 for every 3 hours completed. So if you complete 9 hours in a month, you will get a $9 bonus on top of your $5 to $25 per hour rate. For a transcription test, you do have to apply for this, so they can somewhat see that you are decent at speaking through a mic, that you have good speaking skills. So all you need for this is you need to speak English pretty clearly, a decent mic, whether it's a basic headset, and you need a laptop or a computer with internet connection, or even your phone, just to talk into your mic and do the transcription test and get paid for it in PayPal cash. So Scrubby is definitely a great website to start working online, and you can see they have transcribed more than 3.5 million minutes of audio since 2008 and have paid around $1.742 million to transcribers on this website. So it is a well-known business. It is not a new business, and it really is paying well, and this is a great way to start earning money online. And the third website that I want to show you guys is called Ibottacom, where you get commissions or repurchases or money back on anything that you buy in the shops. And you can see this application works with some of the biggest brands such as Amazon, Kohl's, Choice Hotels, Uber, there's Walmart as well. So they work with some of the biggest brands in the world. So this means this company is really well recognized and is also paying really well. And how this works is when you go to one of these stores, whether it's the Amazon store or hotels.com, a Samsung shop, you can see they've got Samsung as well, or a Walmart shop. When you buy something from one of the stores, what you do is you take a picture of your receipt, you submit it on the application, and if there's any offers or deals, that they have on the app, they will give you a cashback for every single item on the receipt. For example, if you go to the shop and you buy a bunch of bananas, what you do is you take a picture of your receipt, submit it on the app, and they could give you up to 25 cents back just on buying a bunch of bananas. And that might not seem a lot, but for the average person that does an average grocery run might get between $15 and $30 back, as I say, on every single grocery run, which is good money. I mean, that could be money used for, I don't know, extra entertainment, extra expenses, debts, or whatever it may be, but this is really good money and it pays well. And you also get a $10 bonus just for signing up. It's really that easy. So it's not like it's Amazon gift rewards or Walmart credits or rewards or whatever it may be. It's straight to your PayPal account, which you can withdraw into cash. And the fourth website that I'm going to show you is called TasteIR, and this is a website where you will get paid up to $50 for every single issue that you find on a website or a bug. So for example, you've been asked to test this app and there's maybe a picture that covers some text that you can't read, or if there's a illustration that's also covering something that you can't see on the application, any sort of bug, it can be the smallest of bugs, you will get paid up to $50 for just identifying a simple issue like this. And if you can't find an issue in one of these apps, that's not a problem, because you can also get paid for simply rating these apps. So both ways, if you find a bug, you'll get paid for that, and if you also rate the app, you'll also get paid for that. So this TasteIR website really opens up a few good opportunities for you to earn real good money online straight to your PayPal account. What's nice about this, you can work from home, so you easily work from home from your favorite place. You can work whenever you'd like, so you're in control of your working hours, and you don't need any coding knowledge for these applications or websites. All you do is you identify a basic bug or issue on the website, you will submit it in text form. You'll say, for example, the picture on so-and-so page is covering the so-and-so text on this page. You'll submit that on the website and you will get paid for this, as I say, up to $50 for every issue that you find, and also rating this application or website. And the next website I want to show you is called QMe.com, and with QMe it's similar to a survey website. Now I know I said I wouldn't include survey websites in this video, but this also counts as a search browser. You also get a search browser with this, where if you search certain terms or phrases, you will get paid for every single search that you make. So you can get rewarded for your opinions, as I say, through a survey, searches that you make, and you can also get money back on purchases that you make through the QMe browser. It's a free, easy to use browser and mobile app where you can earn real cash rewards for sharing your opinion and for engaging with your favorite brands online. So if you Google something online such as Nike shop and you make a purchase on the Nike shop, first of all, you get paid for that search, and you also get paid for or money back on the purchase that you make on the Nike store, for example, and at the same time you get paid to take surveys on the go. So this website pays in 3 different ways, so it's definitely a great website to get started with earning money online. There's a neat little video on the website that will give you an idea of how it works, so you can sign up on the top right of the page and you can get ready to earn online through QMe.com. And the final website that I want to show you guys is called Dash.Cash, which is available on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, so anyone on a mobile device can use this app. And how it works is you securely link your credit card and debit card to this application, and whenever you pay with your linked cards in a shop or whatever shop is connected with Dash.Cash, you will get an amazing cashback from every single purchase that you make. So pay with your link card at thousands of different stores and restaurants, and you will get up to 10% cash back automatically straight into your Dash wallet, which you can withdraw straight to PayPal Cash into your bank account. And you can get paid to refer as well. So if you refer a friend to the Dash app and signs up, you will get $5 for each friend who signs up with a verified card. And you can also transfer your cash, so you can do what you want. You can transfer your cash to your bank account, PayPal, donate to charity from the app, whatever you'd like. And you can see that this app works with some of the biggest brands around the world. Pier 1 Imports, Edible Box Snapfish, Pizza Hut, Dunkin'. It's got some of the biggest businesses and shops around the world that you can go and shop at and earn cash back through the Dosh app. And you can see some of the reviews. Every time I use Dosh, I want to tell more people this app is a no-brainer. Now I have extra cash to do something with my awesome family. And you know, you can use this sort of money for extra entertainment, as I say, debt, expenses, whatever it may be. But this is definitely an app worth a try. It's free to use, it's free to download, and if you refer people at the same time, you will get paid for that. And what I'll do is I'll leave a link to these websites in the comment section, in my comment section below, not the description of this video. But guys, comment down below what you think the best website is. I want to see which one you think you choose, which website you choose to make money online. So leave a comment down below. I'd love to see which website you guys prefer. But if you want to see more videos on how you can make free PayPal cash online, $50, $1 over and over, I've got various different websites and techniques that I really keen to share with you on this channel. So comment down below, leave a like on this video if you really enjoyed it, and subscribe if you're new to receive some awesome content just like this. How you can build a business online, how you can build a brand online, how you can make simple PayPal cash online like this for free. But guys, until then, take care, and I'll see you in my next video.